So how to make $10,000 per month with affiliate marketing. Now you see, every single course or guru is telling you the same thing. Pick a product, have a website or direct link and make sales. Now if that would be the truth, if that would be the ultimate truth, then you will be already making over $1,000 or at least $2,000 every single month with affiliate marketing. Now, so what is the behind the scene truth? Now in this video, I will give you exact step-by-step framework that I have been personally using to make money with affiliate marketing. Now, what is the number one thing? Now, you see everyone is telling you, pick a product, pick a niche. And this is true, it's not a lie, it's true. You have to pick the niche. But behind the scene, real secret is that you have to know exactly what is the audience, what is the market, who is actually the market that you are promoting your offers to. Because let's be honest, you see over here I'm holding an orange. Now the reason I'm holding this orange in my hand is because I want to get a very important point across in this video to you, and this is, you have to know who is the market. Now you see, if you're not in the market for the oranges and you're looking for the steak, or you're looking for the chair, or I don't know, furniture, I can sell you this orange down your throat every single day and you won't take it. Why not? Because you're not in the market for oranges. Now you see, this is the biggest misconception that most of newbie affiliates are making when they are promoting different offers, especially on ClickBank, right? They are taking an offer and they're trying to sell it to everyone. So they're basically using the shotgun approach, basically trying to shoot it all across the market and hope it sticks, but it doesn't, right? So the better approach is to use what I call the sniper approach. And what is the sniper approach? You see, the sniper approach is when you target your market, basically laser target. You exactly know who is your market, what are the desires, what are their fears, what they are thinking about every single day, what are their problems or pains. Now you see, this is the biggest advantage you can have as an affiliate if you're watching this video. So keep until the end of this video so you can exactly know how you can use this approach when you are going to go out there and trying to promote different affiliate offers to make real money with affiliate marketing. And you see, number one thing is target your market. I mean, find out who is your market, what they want, and give it to them. So basically, this is the real important step, is the research, to know exactly who is your market, what they want, where they hang out at, what they are reading, and what they are thinking about, what kind of magazines they are reading, what kind of influencers they are following on Facebook, on Instagram. Now, if you are still watching this video, there is number one tip I will give you right now, and this is, if you get this, you can make a lot more sales than any other affiliates. Why? Because if you go on Facebook, you will see people are following different influencers, right? For example, in personal development, self-help space, they are following people like Bob Proctor, Tony Robbins, Les Brown, many different, right, influencers in this space. So if you know they're following them, you should adjust your targeting. Get this, adjust your targeting. Yes, exactly, my friend. Adjust your targeting in your space, in your niche. Because if you do that, just with only one adjustment, you can increase for up to 25% of conversions on your landing page. Because if you're using the shotgun approach and you are targeting everyone, right? Everyone, doesn't matter, you're selling personal development ebook or course, and you're targeting people who are interested in the weight loss, or they are interested into, let's say, furniture. They won't buy that course because they are not interested into that. They are not in the market looking for personal development stuff. So get this, and with this one tip, you can increase your conversions and get much more sales than 99% of the rest of the affiliates who are trying to do the same like you. So if you want to know exactly in details how you can improve that thing, for example, there are many stuff that are included in your advertorials, in your landing pages. Ad copy is really important, because if the ad copy is not resonating with the market, right, then you can waste time. You can spend a lot of money testing different, like for example, ads, different interests. But if you don't have that one thing down, to the point. For example, ad copy must be congruent with the offer that you are promoting. So if you're promoting, let's say, a supplement, weight loss supplement or protein or whatever you're promoting, you have to know, okay, I'm offering this to males or females 35 years to 65 years old living in Canada. What is their interest, what they're reading, who they're following, right? So you have to know exactly who is your market, and that's why you can have much better results than the rest of the affiliates out there trying to do the same like you, trying to promote offers in the same niche like you without getting any results whatsoever. So if you're still watching this video and you want to know exactly how to do it, so if you want to have someone to show you step by step, basically showing you the ropes, exactly how to put plan into the action, get this plan into the action without watching hours of pointless videos or watching different courses where they show you the theory but not giving you any practice, then you can keep watching those courses. You don't have to watch this video anymore. But if you really want to get some sales, at least $1,000 to $3,000 every single month with different affiliate offers, then get in touch with me right now after watching this video by clicking the links below this video, but you can connect with me on social media and we can get in touch. So before you leave this video, please subscribe to my channel so you can get more helpful tips like this. And until then, see you in the next one.